Hi there, students. A loge. A loge. Don't confuse it with a lodge. A lodge is a house or an entry building. Let's see. A loge is a box at the theatre. Particularly a private box, normally at the sides of the stage, or sometimes at the front of the balcony. These are private boxes, private enclosures for people. Some theatres used to have the royal box, the royal loge. Yeah, it's a small compartment, a box at a theatre. Nowadays, you also have loges at sports stadiums. Normally these belong to companies and therefore hospitality. It's a small area that's separated from the rest of the stadium, and maybe it's got it's a large closed area. Okay, it's like a special private place, a loge, and then you can have these loges in the theatre. If you've ever been to a loge in the theatre, you get a really good view. So it's normally up and to the side of the stage. It's like a box. Now, you could also have a doorkeeper's loge, the gatekeeper's loge, like a little box for the doorman just inside the entrance to a building. You can I've seen these in London, but they're very old-fashioned. A doorkeeper's loge, it's like a little box where the doorkeeper sits when the doorkeeper is on duty. And that is also a loge. But a loge, a small enclosure, a small box at a theatre, at an opera house, or a privately owned luxury area in the stadium that is leased for entertaining clients while watching a sporting events or other things. Okay, so the loge, it's like a box at the theatre, a box at the opera house, a small booth for a porter or something like that, and then a separated off area at a stadium, usually paid for by companies to entertain their important guests. I think places in the loges at some big sports stadium are incredibly expensive. Okay, so formality, the loge. I think I would rather use the word a box or private box as a Brit. I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. It's related to the French word loge, an arbour or a covered walkway, but it comes it's a cognate of the word a lodge. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Loge.